So for today, I had some chicken thighs, asparagus, and oyster mushrooms. I didn't know what type of recipe I should be making, so I asked ChatGPT. So it's basically sauteing chicken thighs, asparagus, the oyster mushrooms, sauteing with garlic and ginger, adding cornstarch, soy sauce, black pepper, and salt to taste, added chili flake, chicken bouillon, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. I posted ChatGPT instructions in the end of the video. This is how it turned out. I'm gonna eat and try it. So, oyster mushroom. It smells so good. Really good. It tastes really good too. Now with the chicken. This is really good. And healthy. I like my vegetables to be crunchy. I don't like it undercooked or overcooked. You can hear the crunch. Thank you, ChatGPT.